let's do
Okay.
I was already confident before, but my confidence level has went through the roof. When I walk into a room, I want everybody to look at me and to know that I am a Mary Kay consultant, that I do wear Mary Kay products, and that I am proud to be a Mary Kay beauty consultant.
A mí me encanta ayudar a otras mujeres a encontrar su producto de belleza porque yo sé que se van a sentir confidentes de lo que tienen puesto y se van a sentir mejor, se van a sentir bellas.
My Mary Kay business has given me the opportunity to really seek who I am, to really go inside of myself and to know that even when it doesn't look like it or when you may think that you can't accomplish something, you have that extra push because of the mentorship and the connection that you have with your team.
Mary Kay ha empoderado bastante y me ha empoderado a mí también. Todo se puede y si ella quiere, ella lo puede lograr.
Women are beautiful. Women are free. Women are powerful.
Las mujeres somos desafiantes, nos encantan los retos y somos poderosas en tratar de lograr todo lo que nos proponemos. Yo me siento muy alegre cuando veo a mis consultoras o a otras mujeres que se acercan con el negocio de Mary Kay. Me da una felicidad porque también se sienten como yo me siento. Un cambio drástico que nos sentimos personalmente y nos emociona que nos sientamos bien.
My Mary Kay business makes me feel powerful.